most people, when they buy unit trust, they'll buy from the agent, and like I mentioned just now, agent, they normally represent one company, but many people are not aware about the online unit trust platform. You see, this is what I mean. Different fund house, different unit trust company has got agents representing themselves. Then government introduced a license called Corporate Unit Trust Advisor. Just for information, Wickman is also a company who hold Corporate Unit Trust Advisor license. And by having this license, we are allowed to have a business agreement with different unit trust company. Company A, company B, company C, company D. So for that matter, then we have access to all the unit trust fund from multiple companies. So as long as they are good fund, quality fund, and performing fund, we recommend that to the client. But legally, business-wise, it sounds like a good idea, but come to implementation is a bit challenging, because a company like Wickman would need to have agreement, separate business agreement from different company, and then all these companies have different type of form, different type of operation process. So it's kind of complicated. So a company like Wickman, like QTA, will end up having a lot of operation and administration issues to manage. So that's where a platform like Online Unit Trust Investment Platform come into picture. This company will allow Wickman to deal with the platform directly, and in turn, the platform will deal directly with the respective fund house. So by going to Online Unit Trust Investment Platform, Wickman can access to the funds from multiple companies, because this administration and operation, compliance agreement, these are all done by Online Unit Trust Investment Platform. So let me share with you further. Let me give you a sample. So the sample that I'm using here is iFast Capital. So iFast Capital is an example of Online Unit Trust Investment Platform. What happened is that you can see these are all the fund houses here, whereby iFast have signed a business agreement with them to put all these fund houses on their platform. So company like us who hold Corporate Unit Trust Advisor license then can go through iFast platform to access to all this kind of fund for a client. Of course, iFast also have got another arm that deal with institutional unit trust advisor. These are mainly the bank. Okay, so this is just an example. And what exactly the solution that this platform can provide? Number one, like I mentioned just now, by working with a platform, a QTA license holder can help the client to access to best of breed fund manager across different company. Whether it's big company or small company, it doesn't matter. We can help the client to access to that. Next, even though a QTA company may have selected, say, the fund from 5 different companies, you don't have to worry to receive the statement from 5 different companies. iFast as a platform, for example, will provide a consolidated report that can report all the fund performance of all these 5 different companies all in one statement. So that gives a lot of convenience and transparency to a client. And it also allows the investor to enter at a cheaper and lower cost. So we can actually, instead of charging 5.5%, now we can charge 3%, and for certain client who meet certain criteria, we can even offer them 0% entry cost. And best thing is that when we manage, after constructing a portfolio for the client, when we want to sell a fund from company A and take the money from that sales proceed to buy the fund from company B, we can do that at 0 cost. So for that matter, when we do that, the client will not need to ask us, so since you are selling company A fund, and then to go to company B, how much would you cost me? How much will you charge me? And then how much will you make by doing such a recommendation? So when there is a cost involved, it's almost impossible for the client to make decision, because the client will think that, okay, Mr. Yap asked me to sell the fund from company A to go to company B. Is it because he intends to make some extra income, or this is also at quite a significant cost to me? So maybe let me think about it. For that matter, the idea of having an active management of the unit trust portfolio become very difficult to implement. So having a 0 cost to switch a fund from one company to another company, give a very smooth and convenient platform for the client to always change a fund which is not performing and then add in the fund that is performing from different company. And paperwork-wise, it's also easier because rather than using a form from company A, go to company B, and using the form from company B, and then go to company C, using a different form again, we can just use one form designed by one platform, and then this platform will help to facilitate all the switching between themselves. So that also gives a lot of convenience to the advisor and motivate the advisor to do a good job and give good advice to the client. So you can see this platform, the reason why I say that it's not commonly known, because last year, one advisor have acquired a new client. This client invested about 10 million of his money into unit trust. So invest into 2 banks and another 2 unit trust company. Can you imagine how much he need to manage? First, the size of the money. Number 2, all these funds are all across 4 different financial institutions. So he's been struggling to decide how to sell this one, buy another one, and then sell another one, and then buy another one. It's crazy. So until we introduce to him an online unit trust investment platform, and then he'll be able to manage and maintain his unit trust portfolio without incurring the cost, then it's become such a relief to him. So my question to you is that, have you explored any online unit trust platform so far? If not, you may want to talk to your financial planner, because a financial planner who is attached to a QTA firm should be able to share with you how the platform can help you to manage and to maintain your unit trust portfolio to be more efficient and to be more profitable.
If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.